Hello guys, my name is Taina Hassan and welcome back to another video of HTML course. Hope it will be easy for you to learn with me. And if you have any question, please write down in the comment section. Uh, Actually, I am using the W3 school website for your convenience so that you can practice the code easily and also can revise the content that we are discussing inside the videos. So let's move to the next thing. So the next thing is the style attributes. We were talking about the HTML attributes. We already talked about HTML different tags and the attributes like the image have the attributes of width and height. So we are going to talk about the style attributes. It is very interesting. So let's try it out. So it is the same as to heading tags. Actually, the style tag is used to define the um, different CSS elements on it. Like you can define the color, you can increase the height. Let me change the font size. Font size. Let me make it very big, 48 px. So let me run it. So you can define the inline CSS by using style attribute. Hope it will be clear for you. I will make a course on CSS also, so no need to worry. Stick with me. So let's move to the next thing. The lang attribute. You should always include the language. So it is the language attribute inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. It is important for you, and it is for the search engine or the crawlers to define that which language your website is covering. So this is meant to assist search engines and browsers. So this is the way you can define the language en for English. Country codes can also be added to the language code in the language like English of US, and you can also define the English of UK. So let's go to the next thing. The title attribute. The title attribute defines some extra information about an element. The value of the title attribute will be displayed as a tooltip when your mouse over the element. So let's try it out. As to title, I am a header. Got it? When I will place the cursor on it, it will show me the title of that particular tag or particular text. So here is the I am a tooltip. Let me make change it. I am a paragraph. Yeah, GRAPH. So don't forget to run it to make the changes. I am a paragraph. So this it is not mostly used. So but we have to know that why title attribute can be used. So let's go to the next thing. So the same thing for the attributes that you need to use the lowercase. As we talk about that, the tag must be in lowercase. It's not the more must be. You can write it down in uppercase, but we recommend that try to write in lowercase. So we suggest always quote attribute values. Yes, that's the most important thing. The value of any attribute should be inside the quotation marks. It is compulsory. So here is the example. This is the proper structure to define any attribute inside the quotation marks. So if you will not mention it, that's a bad practice. So the same thing, it will not show you the